We will discuss about necrosis. Nuclear changes in necrosis. First of all, there will be the nuclear condensation, which is also called pyknosis, which will lead to the nuclear fragmentation, also called karyolysis, and nuclear dissolution, also called karyolysis. Types and fat necrosis, which may be traumatic, which may be enzymatic. Traumatic fat necrosis, common example is the trauma to the breast, and enzymatic fat necrosis in acute pancreatitis and mental necrosis. Coagulative necrosis, C for coagulative necrosis, and O for oxygen deficiency, which is called hypoxia, hypoxic cell death of all tissues except brain. C for coagulative necrosis, C for calcium high, and C for cardiac cells. Okay. Liquefactive necrosis. Liquefaction mean digestion of the tissues, which is by the infection, including bacteria, fungal, or any other microbes. Liquefactive necrosis in the brain. Dry gangrene and wet gangrene. Dry mean organ will be dry, shrunken, and black. When there is dryness, there will be no chance of infection. And example is the diabetic. Wet gangrene, and the wet gangrene organ will be wet due to infection. Its example is sputum mesenteric artery occlusion. Cases necrosis may be remembered with the CT, C for cases necrosis, and T for tuberculous infection. This is basically epithelioid cells surrounded by the lymphocytes and the giant cells. And non-cases necrosis may be remembered with an NS, N for non-cases necrosis, and S for sarcoidosis. Fibrinoid necrosis in the pain and Wagner granulomatosis, and medial necrosis is seen in the necrosis of the tunica media.